Stocks are mixed after yesterday's big tech sell-off. As I speak to you right now, the Russell is down about 15 basis points, but the Dow and the S&P are up about 0.1%. The Nasdaq is up about 0.2%. This morning's durable goods figures in the U.S. were lower than expected, but the housing price composite index was higher than expected. Consumer confidence was lower than expected. It was much lower than last month's number, which was revised higher to above 109. At noon today, Christine Lagarde is speaking at the Hungarian Central Bank about central bank independence. She's not likely to speak about monetary policy, given there's a decision on an ECB rate change on Thursday. She spoke yesterday, and she also did not mention monetary policy. Looking at yields, the yield sell-off yesterday, the bond buying that took place, is reversing a little bit across the yield curve. We're up about 4 basis points between the 2-year and the 30-year. We're having a hard commodity rally right now, even though the dollar is higher against all the majors. Gold is up about 0.79%, silver about 0.58%, copper about 0.92%, crude oil up about 2/3%. Important note for commodities, the Chinese New Year has begun and will go on throughout the week. There will be no Chinese government-driven data out this particular week. FOMC decision tomorrow will be released about 2 p.m. Eastern time. Expected to leave rates unchanged according to the CME Fed Watch tool, but the market will be laser focused on any hint of an overall policy change based on current economic data. There's also a Bank of Canada rate decision tomorrow morning that we'll be watching. Looking ahead to this afternoon, we have a 7-year note auction. Earnings today after the closing bell. 24 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Stryker Healthcare, Starbucks, Chubb Insurance, and Logitech. Tomorrow before the open, 31 companies with $1 billion or more in market cap reporting earnings, including another chip giant, ASML, ADP, T-Mobile, Progressive, General Dynamics, Hess Corp, which is energy, and Norfolk Southern. Data tonight, minutes from last week's Bank of Japan policy meeting. Data tomorrow, the central bank decisions that I already talked about, plus the ECB meeting begins for their decision that will be released on Thursday.